Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about component of food. Component of food. Introduction. Food is a nutritive substance taken by the organism of growth, work, repair and maintaining life process. Food is a kind of fuel for the living things, just a petrol fuel for our car. In the same way, food is a fuel for our body. We must eat to provide us energies, known as staple food. The study of composition of food material and the quantity of food materials required by our body for growth, maintenance and survival is called nutrients. A nutrient is an organic or inorganic substance required for the survival of all living beings. Components of food. Food has many different components and each component is necessary for function of others. The major components of our food are carbohydrate, fat, protein, minerals, vitamins, water, rockage. These carbohydrate, proteins, fat, minerals, salt and vitamins are called nutrients because they are required for the survival of living being like human being. Thus, water is the important constituent of our body food and make up for 2/3 of our body weight. It is usually not considered a nutrient. Our diet usually contains the entire nutrient in varying amounts. For example, egg or meat give as protein, butter and ghee give as fat, whereas fruits and vegetables give as minerals and vitamins. We shall now discuss all the components of food in detail one by one. Rumbling sound that come from our stomach when we are hungry, but also to gain some energy to do work for whole day. See the picture. Or eating breakfast is very simple and morning snacks, and getting lunch is very heavy, afternoon snacks and dinner is very less. For healthy hard working muscles and active brain, we must eat a balanced diet that gives nutrients to our body. These nutrients will get you strong bones as well as energy. But do you know what nutrient are? No. Let's just read what is it. What it is. What are nutrients? Nutrients are classified into carbohydrate, vitamins and minerals, protein and fat. See the picture. Each dish is made up of one or more ingredients which we get from animals and plants. These ingredients include important components that are needed by our body to function properly. And these components are called nutrients. These nutrients in our food as named as fat, carbohydrate, protein, vitamins and minerals. Also, food contain water and dietary fibers which are needed by human body. See the classification of food groups: protective foods, bodybuilding foods, energy giving foods. Nutrients supply energy for regulating body process. It helps in bodybuilding and tissue repair from wear and tear. Major nutrient and its sources: carbohydrate, cereals, rice, wheat, bajra, etc. Starchy tubers, potato, tapioca, example, etc. Others: sugar, honey, jaggery, milk and fat. Oils: groundnut, linseed, mustard, sunflower, vegetable oil, etc. Fats: animal fat, egg, butter, red meat and ghee, etc. Protein: eggs, milk, meat, pulses. Minerals: calcium, milk, green vegetables, ragi. Iron: liver, eggs, meat, beans, dry fruits, leafy vegetables, jaggery. Phosphorus: milk, leaf vegetables. Sulfur: egg yolk, green leaf vegetables. Iodine: seafood, salt. Carbohydrate: carbohydrate act as the main source of energy from the active brain. It include uh, breads, fruits, grain, sugar and vegetables. Make sure to consume whole grains once in a day. Whole grains and fruits are full of fiber, which reduce the risk of heart disease. Protein. Protein is the main structural components of cells and helps in building the body tissues. It breaks down into amino acids, which are building block of protein. Some of the protein source like low fat meat, bean, eggs and beans should be consumed. Fats. Fat is a source of energy that is consumed in increasing the absorption of fat soluble vitamins. Consume healthy source like walnut, fish, vegetable based oil for development and growth. Vitamins. Vitamins provide structure to the blood vessels, ligaments and bone. Sources like strawberries, peppers help the prevention birth defects. Minerals. Proper intake of sodium helps to maintain fluid volume of the cell and helps them to the function normally. uh, Bananas, tomato and potato are rich source of minerals. Consume proper amount of calcium to build strong bones and teeth. Classification of major nutrients of foods. uh, Carbohydrate, fat, protein, mineral, water, rougage, vitamins. Carbohydrate on the basis of hydrolyzed is classified into monosaccharide, oligosaccharide and polysaccharide. Monosaccharide, these carbohydrate cannot give further compounds of hydrolyzed glucose. Oligosaccharide can produce 2 to 10 carbohydrate of hydrolyzed, example sucrose. Polysaccharide, these produce more number of carbohydrate on hydrolyzed, example starch, glycogen, cellulose. Carbohydrate are macronutrients and are one of the three main way by which our body obtain its energy. They are called carbohydrate as the comprise of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen at their chemical level. Carbohydrate are essential nutrients which include sugar, fibers and starch. They are found in grains, vegetables, fruits and in milk and other dairy products. They are the basic food group which play an important role in a healthy life. The food containing carbohydrates are converted into glucose or blood sugar during the process of digestion by the digestive system. In our body, utilize the sugar as a source of energy for the cell, organ and tissues. The extra amount of energy or sugar is stored in our muscles and livers for further requirement. The term carbohydrate is derived from the term hydrate decarbon, meaning hydrate of carbon. The general formula of the class of organic compound is C. Just like that, the carbohydrate is getting from the sources. Function of carbohydrates. The main function of carbohydrate is to provide energy and food to the body and to the nerve system. Carbohydrate are known as one of the basic components of food, including sugar, starch and fiber, which are abundantly found in grains, fruits and milk products. Carbohydrate are also known as starch, simple sugar, complex carbohydrate and so on. It is also involved in fat metabolism and prevent ketosis. Inhibit the breakdown of proteins for energy as they are the primary source of energy. An enzyme by name of amylase assists in the breakdown of starch into glucose, finally to produce energy for metabolism. Sources of carbohydrates. Simple sugar are found in the form of fructose in many fruits. Galactose is present in all dairy products. Lactose is abundant food in milk and other dairy products. Maltose is present in cereals, beer, potato, processed cheese, pasta, etc. Sucrose is naturally obtained from sugar and honey containing small amount of vitamins and minerals. This simple sugar that consists of minerals and vitamins exist commonly in milk, fruits and vegetables. Many refined and other processed food like wheat flour, white rice and sugar lack important nutrients and hence they are labeled enriched. It is quite healthy to use vitamins, carbohydrate and all other organic nutrients in the normal forms. Carbohydrate foods. Eating too much sugar result in an abnormal increasing the calories which finally leads to obesity and in turn low calories lead to malnutrition. Therefore, a well balanced diet need to be maintained to have a healthy life. That is the reason a balanced diet is stressed so much by dietitians. Let us look into the difference between the good and bad carbohydrates. Good carbohydrates, bad carbohydrates. High nutrients, low in nutrient. Moderate in calories, high in calories. Low in sodium and saturated fats, high in sodium and saturated fats. Low in trans fat and cholesterol, high in trans fat and cholesterol. There are complex carbs, for instance, legumes, vegetables, whole grains, fruits and beans. Food considered bad carbs rarely have any nutritional values. Some of the foods include white flour, rice, pastries, soda and processed food. Protein is a macronutrients that is essential to building muscles mass. It is commonly found in animal products through is also present in other sources such as nuts and legumes. There are three macronutrients: proteins, fat and carbohydrate. Macronutrients provide calories or energies. See the macronutrients. Some examples. Types of proteins. Types, example, structural protein, tendons, cartilage, hair, nails. Contractical, muscles, transport, hemoglobin, storage, milk, hormonal, insulin, growth hormones, enzymes, catalase reactions in cell, production, immune response. Classification of proteins. Classification of proteins based on structure: fibrous protein, globular protein, intermediate proteins. Classification based on composition: simple protein, conjugated protein. Classification based on function: structural proteins, enzymes, hormones, pigments, transport proteins, contractile proteins, storage proteins, toxin. Types of protein structure: the primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure and quaternary structures. The primary structure of proteins. Protein primary structure is a linear sequence of amino acid in peptide or protein. Protein biosynthesis is most commonly performed by ribosomes. In cell, peptide can also be synthesized in the laboratory. Protein primary structure can be directly sequenced or inferred from DNA sequence. Secondary structure. Protein secondary structure is a three-dimensional for of local segment of proteins. The two most common secondary structure elements are alpha helix and beta sheet. Through the beta turns and omega loops occur as well as tertiary proteins. Protein tertiary structure is the three-dimensional shape of protein. The tertiary structure will have a single polypeptide chain backbone with one or more protein secondary structure, the protein domain. Amino acid chain, side chain may interact and bound in the number of ways. Quaternary protein. Protein quaternary structure is the number and arrangement of multiple folded protein subunit in a multi-subunit complex. It includes organization from a simple dimer to large homo-oligomers and complex with a defined or variable number of subunits. The function of proteins. Protein is vital in the maintenance of body tissues, include development, and repair. Protein is a major source of energy. Protein is involved in certain of some hormones help control body function that involve the interaction of several organs and helps regulate cell growth. Protein produce enzymes that increase the rate of chemical reaction in the body. The, the function of protein, enzymes, biological catalysts, antibodies, the fight of infection, transport, move material around hemoglobin for oxygen supply, regulatory as hormone they control metabolism, structural covering and support skin, tendons, hair, nails and bone, movements, muscles, cilia and flagella. Source of proteins, nuts and seeds, dairy products, fish and seafood. Fat. What are the fats? According to the nutrients facts, the fats are defined as the most essential part of the diet and it play an important role in maintaining the healthy life. Fats and cholesterol tends to be the most focused term of the public and health enthusiasts. There is a valid reason behind this. Fat happens to be the most concentrated source of energy in the diet that provide about 8 to 9 calories per gram, while on other hand carbohydrates and protein have only 4 calories per gram. Fat is known to the three elements which include carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, but it has more amount of carbon and hydrogen compared to oxygen, hence leading to 9 calories per gram. Fat are the source of energy in food belonging to a group of elements called lipid, and they are all combined of saturated and unsaturated fats. See, eggs, avocado, sardines, pistachio, walnut, almond, olive oil, nut butter. The human body well designed which make up two type of fat essential for the proper functioning of the body and are obtained from the food consumed. These fat play a major role in controlling inflammation, blood coagulation and brain development. It also serves as a storage unit for storing the body extra calories. In fact, cells are adipose tissues that helps to insulate the body. They tend to be an important source of energy. Fat also help the body to absorb and transport the vitamins A, D, E and K through the bloodstream. Types of fat. There are 4 different types of fats. Saturated fat. It is responsible for the bad cholesterol. They are found in most animal products like cheese, milk, meat and so on, and hence one must limit the quantity or of intake. Unsaturated fat on the other hand is substances that are substituted in place of saturated fats and lower the cholesterol level. Trans fatty acid that one gets from vegetables, oil and also play a role in increasing the cholesterol level. Consuming the saturated fat in large quantities is the most popular reason for heart disease as it causes cholesterol to block their arteries. Monosaturated fats. Monosaturated fats are healthy fat found in avocado, macadamia nuts, peanuts, olives and olive oils. It play a vital role in the protecting the heart and also involved in supporting insulin sensitivity, fat storage, weight loss and healthy energy level. Trans fat. Trans fat are also called unsaturated fatty acids or trans fat acid. These fats are obtained naturally in several foods such as beef, lamb, whole milk, cassie, cream and butter are acquired for the cattle. Conjugated linoleic acid is a natural trans fatty acid which is beneficial in strengthening the immune system and inhibiting the development of cancer. However, most trans fatty acids are made when the manufacturer convert liquid oil into the solid fats. In the application of hydrogenation, vegetable oils are hydrogenated to produce vegetable shortening, margarine, peanut butter, and other products used for salad dressing. Trans fat are present in many processed food such as packed food items, cookies, crackers, snack food, uh, deep fried food, and other food made or fried in partially hydrogenated oil. Polyunsaturated fats. Polyunsaturated fat are the healthy fats which are abundant found in both plant and animal food such as vegetable oil, walnut, flax seeds, salmon, etc. These fats include both omega-3 and omega-3 6 fats. Omega-3 helps reducing the inflammation, supports healthy hormones level and cell membranes. Omega-6 fatty acids play an important role in the supporting healthy brain and muscles functions. We need a small amount of omega-6 fatty acids in our diet. Corn, soya bean, safflower, cottonseed, grapeseed, and sunflower oil are all high in omega-6. Apart from this, the omega-6 fatty acids are also found in most of the packed good like bread and bakery snacks, packaged food like cookies, crackers, chips, French fry, which are not stable. Essential fatty acids. Our body is capable of synthesizing maximum fatty acids. Apart from these three essential fatty acids, linoleic, linoleic, and arachidonic acid. These designated essential fatty acids must be supplied through the diet. The deficiency symptoms of these fatty acids include poor growth, skin irradiation, and have been seen in the infant feed with the formula lacking these essential nutrients. Function of fats. Normal growth and developments. Energy. Fat is the most concentrated source of energy. Absorption of certain vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, K, and carotenoids. Providing cushioning for the organs. Maintaining the cell membrane. Providing taste, consistency, and stability of food. Function of fats in the body. Protection, vital organism. Uh, Digestion. Fat in food is the digestion and absorption to the adipose or fat tissues. Energy provide a reserve help to the body maintaining constant temperature. Production and regulation of steroids hormones. Maintaining the nerve impulse transmission myelin sheath. Major components of the cell membrane transport the fat soluble vitamin A, D, E, K, and mineral definitions. Naturally occurring minerals with unique combination of chemical composition and crystalline structure. Naturally non-mineral glasses, coal, amorphous silica, pseudomorphs, diamond, and graphite. Types of minerals. Two types. Macro minerals and trace minerals. Macro means large in Greek, and your body needs large amount of macronutrients than trace minerals. The macro minerals group is made up of calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride, and sulfur. Scientists have started that there are over 3000 different type of minerals. Important minerals required by our body, their function, and food sources. Minerals, important function and sources. Calcium, formation of bone and teeth, blood clotting, muscles contraction, nerves impulse transmissions. Milk and milk products, broccoli, bean, green vegetables, whole grains, cereals, meat, fish, tapioca. Phosphorus, formation of bones and teeth, metabolism, synthesis of DNA enzymes, etc. Milk and milk products, meat, poultry, bajra, nuts, fish, eggs, liver, kidney. Potassium, water balance, acid base balance, muscles contraction and nerves impulse transmissions. Milk, yogurt, orange, potato. Sodium and sodium chloride, water balance, acid base balance, contractions of muscles, transmission of nerves impulse. Common salt, fish, meat, eggs, milk. Iron, metabolism, synthesis of the hemoglobin and myoglobin found in the enzyme regenerating new cells, tissue oxidation. Liver, kidney, eggs, meat, groundnut, cereals, green leaf vegetables, legumes, spinach and jaggery. Iodine, functioning of thyroid glands. Iron is salt, saltwater fish, seafood, green leaves and vegetables. Vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds that are needed in small amount for the maintenance of normal metabolic function. Most vitamins cannot be synthesized by the body but are found naturally in food obtained from the plant animals. The lack of specific vitamins lead to distinctive deficiency state such as beriberi, rickets, scurvy and xerophthalmia or to condition without defective symptoms. See the vitamin deficiency, your day dose of the following pictures. Vitamin A getting for carrot, vitamin D getting for egg and mushrooms, E for green leaves, K for cabbage, B1 for asparagus, B2 for almond, C for fruit, B5 for sweet potato, B6 for potato and banana, B12 for fish, B9 for bean, H for tomato. Fat soluble vitamins. A. Retinol promotes growth for maintaining proper easiest healthy skin, other body tissue, teeth structure. Deficiency, night blindness. Food source, egg, milk, cream, cheese, liver, green and yellow vegetables and carrots, sweet potato, spinach, fish, ripe mangoes. D. Essential for maintaining calcium and phosphorus level in the body. Rickets are osteomolica. Milk, butter, fish, good liver, oil, eggs, sunlight. E. Essential for nutrients, also essential for nutrients associated with the intake of polyunsaturated fatty acids, growth and fertility disorders, egg yolk, cereals, liver, milk, butter, wheat, germ oil, green leaf vegetables. K. Essential for normal clotting of bloods, delayed blood clotting and hemorrhage, green leafy vegetables, liver, soya bean and tomatoes. And water soluble vitamins. B1 thiamine helps in carbohydrate metabolism, functioning for nerves and muscles. Deficient disease, beriberi. Food source, milk, seafood, meat, liver, yeast, whole grain cereals, green vegetables. B2 riboflavin regulate food oxidation, a key components in certain enzymes. Erboflavinosis, milk, bees, bean, meat, egg, cereals, green leaf vegetables. B3 niacin promote health of skin and nerve system. Pellagra, peanuts, meat, poultry, liver, fish, brawn, yeast, whole grains, tomato and potato. B11 folic acid essential for formation and maturation of RBC, synthesis of DNA. Precocious anemia, green leaves, vegetable, spotted pearls,
pulses, and mushrooms. B12, cobalamin, commercially named cyanocobalamin, essential for nucleic acid synthesis, rapidly dividing cells, anemia, egg, milk, liver, and meat. C. Ascorbic acid, essential for maintaining of uh, connective tissues, scurvy, fresh citrus fruits, orange, amla, lime, lemon, guava, tomato, and gooseberry. Function of water in human body. Transports nutrients and oxygen into the cell, regulate the body temperature, detoxifies, moisturize the air in lungs, helps with the metabolism, protect vital organism, help organs to absorb nutrients, protect and moisturize our joints. Water. A consumption 75% of our brain, helps carry nutrients and oxygen to our cell, moisturizing oxygen for breathing, helps convert food to energy, protects and cushion your vital organs, help your body absorb nutrients, make up 75% of your muscles, cushion your joints, compose 22% of your bone, remove waste or toxic materials, make up 83% of your blood, regulate your body temperature. Rogage. Rogage is the fibrous material present in the vegetables and fruits. Through rogage is not a food. It forms an important part of our diet. Rogage consists mainly of carbohydrate called cellulose. Man cannot digest cellulose. It adds fibers to the diet and help increasing the bulk of facies, making it easier to defect. Functioning of rogage. Rogage stimulate the muscles contraction of uh, intestinal walls and thus helps in digestion and bowel movements. Rogage cleans our digestive tract. It protects us for digestive ailments. Rogage adds bulk to food and thereby prevent constipations. Balanced diet. A diet which contains all the nutrients like carbohydrate, fat, protein, mineral, vitamin, water and rogage is adequate amount of energy, growth, repair, grow and regulate of various body process called a balanced diet. Various function perform the constituents of balanced diet or rogage and waters. Food item like cereals, fresh vegetables, fruits and salads cannot be digested by the body. The part of the plant food that cannot be digested is called rogage. It helps the remove waste material from our body. Water is necessary for proper digestion, for eliminating waste material from our body and for proper utilization of the nutrients. Our body consists of 2/3 of waters. Our body need at least 3 liters of water every day. Uh, See the pyramid. See the pyramids. Eat most grains and cereals. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Eat moderately meat, poultry, fish, egg, dry beans and dry products. Eat less fat, oil, salt and sweet. Deficiency disease. Deficiency of any of the essential nutrient in our diet may cause disease. Signs: the disease arises due to the deficiency of nutrient. It is called a deficiency disease. They are mentioned below. protein deficiency disease or protein energy malnutrition. Marsums, Kwashiorkor, vitamin deficiency disease, mineral deficiency disease, marsumas. The word marsumas is derived from the Greek word marsumas, remaining withering. The disease affected infant under 1 year of age. Children suffering from this disease first use body fat and then body protein as energy source. Marsumas disease is twice of common causes. Insufficient food intake. Consuming food poor in the carbohydrate, fat and protein content, consuming less energy nourishing food. Symptoms: sudden growth and loss of appetite, protruding belly and bulging eyes. Oedema occurs due to the returning of waters, dry, scaly skin and reddish hairs. Disease resistance is lowered. Children may suffer from anemia. Enlarged liver, vomiting and diarrhea are very commonly observed. Prolonged disease caused mental retardation due to the degradation of brain cells. Prevention and cure. Protein-rich diet should be given to children. Consuming food product rich in animal protein is suggested.